Yeah.
In the world of creative content on the internet, there are countless niches and specialties that cater to the diverse interests of people worldwide. One such niche that has been capturing the imagination of many is the art of crafting miniature wonders, and at the heart of this niche, we find SR Crafts Official. This channel has taken the internet by storm with its unique and mesmerizing creations, Matchbox tractors. Join us as we take a closer look at SR Crafts Official and the enchanting world of Matchbox tractor crafting. The birth of SR Crafts Official, SR Crafts. Official is the brainchild of a talented and passionate artist known as Rakib Hussain. This channel was born out of a deep love for craftsmanship and the desire to share the beauty of intricately designed Matchbox tractors with the world. The journey began when Rakib stumbled upon the idea of creating miniaturized tractors from matchboxes, and thus SR Crafts Official was born. The impact of SR Crafts Official, has garnered a dedicated following of enthusiasts and art lovers.
People from all walks of life are captivated by the artistry and craftsmanship exhibited in each video. The channel serves as an inspiration for aspiring artists and crafters, encouraging them to explore unconventional avenues of creativity. Conclusion: SR Crafts Official has carved a niche for itself in the vast world of crafting and DIY. The artistry and dedication behind each Matchbox tractor creation are a testament to the endless possibilities of human imagination. As the channel continues to grow and inspire, we eagerly await the next miniature marvel to roll out of SR Crafts Official's workshop, reminding us that art knows no bounds, even when it's crafted from matchboxes. Thanks for watching.
With the motion.